Hello there, this is Phil Binks just giving you a review of the Sony Bluetooth, the BT3700U car stereo. What I'll be concentrating on is the Bluetooth music streaming function of the system, of the car stereo itself. The stereo at the moment is just in kind of off mode, the car ignition is on. But what you do to turn the thing on is you don't press this big knob here, and it does click, and most car stereos will turn on there, but what you actually do is press the button just here at the top of my finger which says source. Source takes you to the several different modes that the stereo offers. The first one is, it says there BT phone. Well, that literally will connect you to the last connected phone. If it hasn't automatically found yours, it will naturally find your phone anyway as soon as you turn on the ignition. It's just if you have 2 or 3 different phones that are paired with this stereo, which is quite a possibility if you want to do that. If I hit the source button again, we go to the normal radio mode. And here we have one of the FM stations, and this round knob here controls the volume. To press this button here, the mode button, will move you on to the next set of preset FM stations, which is FM2. If you press it again, you get the third set of presets. The presets are here labelled from 1 to 6, so you can have 18 FM stations. Then I go to the medium wave station.
Donald and Ian Poulter are 2 up after 3 holes on Bubba Watson and Jeff.
And then we have the long wave band as well. Back to FM. So that just goes in that circular motion. Press the source one more time, it says USB. Well, over here we've got a USB port that is expecting you to connect any MP3 player with a USB connection can be plugged in there. It will also allow you to charge your iPhone or your iPod if you want to connect that way. Press source one more time and it will ask for the auxiliary. Well, here we have the auxiliary input, 3.5mm input, again for your MP3 players with those type of audio outs. So again, an iPod or an iPhone can be connected that way if you really want to. However, the real power in this stereo is the Bluetooth way of doing things. And so if I press the source one more time, we have BT audio comes up on the screen. I'll now bring in my iPhone to the mix, and here I've got all of my songs on the iPhone. I can scroll through them as you see the normal way. Everybody is used to an iPhone or an iPod Touch will be used to that kind of operation. If I now want to play something, I just tap whatever the song is that I want to go and play, and it will automatically start playing that through the Bluetooth stereo. Let's just make sure I turn it up. Let's move it on. So you see that you've actually got full control of all of the music being played simply through the iPhone's touch screen. You don't need to touch the stereo at all, and of course it is completely wireless, so it's being beamed wirelessly across to the stereo. I can adjust the volume here with the knob here, as you would expect. But I've also got the ability, if I want to control the volume, with the normal volume slider as well on the iPod. Okay, so the great power of this, of course, is that if you do have an iPhone and you're able to go out and about in the world and you're receiving a signal through the 3G network or even the Edge network, you can of course then connect straight to any internet radio station that allows you to, and so you can then play internet radio in the car while you're on the move straight through this device wirelessly. Here we are. So here's Radio Paradise, just finishing off a track.
Radio Paradise.
There you go.
Thanks for tuning in.
So they're about to play music. Obviously anything you want to listen to, any radio station that you can get already on your iPhone through the internet can be played through this method. As far as receiving telephone calls is concerned, it's all natural and very simple and immediate. You simply go to way you make a normal call and you dial your number, and it will automatically connect and mute back the music and allow you to talk through the device. Built into the right hand side by the auxiliary port is a built-in microphone, so that can pick up your voice. There is also the ability to connect a small microphone by a wire to the back of the unit and feed that to a more suitable place should you want to do that. There is a CD player in the top, and if you want to turn it off, there's a simple off button at the top there. So hopefully that's been enlightening for you and you've enjoyed that. This is Phil Binks signing off. Enjoy the next one. Cheers.